Hello everyone, good day. I hope you have had a great week and you are enjoying your weekend also with your respective families in your respective countries, right? As we promised last time, every single week we are going to release one video and we are going to share some tips with you in terms of personal development and so on. So we are happy to be here today again and to come back to you and share those tips with you. But what I want you to understand is that we are going through a difficult situation, right? So the world is going through a kind of, global situation, so global crisis. And it has become a kind of challenge for most of us, right? Because actually we don't know what we are going to do. So some of us, we are thinking of, are we going to lose our job? Are we going to keep our business moving? Are we going to have our entrepreneurship idea working, in the same direction as we thought when we were starting? So most of us actually we are in a kind of unknown situation, so we don't know what is going to happen actually. So we are thinking, some of us are depressed, some of us are really don't know what they are going to do, right? So the common point actually where I want to end up is that most of us, we want to give up, right? We want to give up because we don't know what is going to happen. But I want to somebody right now, right? That right now I'm telling you, the only thing I can share with you is that don't give up, right? So don't give up, because if you give up now, you are not going to make that idea happen. You are not going to make your business to become a successful journey. You are not going to make sure that you are going to empower the people you said you want to empower. It's going to become a kind of betrayal for most of us, right? Because we believe in you. So I'm going to share 3 different principles with you today, right? Along the way, every single week we are going to try to share 2, 3 principles, 4 principles. So it depends, right, on the topic we are going to have and we are going to discuss. So today, what I want to tell you is that most of us, whenever the situation becomes tough, the situation becomes difficult, the situation is not, the way we want it to work, right? We want to give up. So don't give up, because you have to keep in your mind, right, that this head, you have to keep it up, okay? So keep your head up as first principle and embrace the challenge, right? So every single challenge you are going through right now, this is an opportunity to grow, right? So take it as an opportunity to improve yourself, connect with yourself. Even if you are in your house, you don't have the right to go out for now, into bracket. So you have to connect yourself, you have to improve yourself, polish your idea, try to work on it, try to figure out what is going to happen next, how you are going to implement this idea, and who is going to be your partner. So find out your potential partners instead of spending so much time on social networks, watching Netflix and so on. I'm not saying you don't watch them, right? But what I'm telling you is that make sure that you are going to find some maybe YouTube channels. You are going to have you are going to grow your network through some professional networks and so on. So those things are going to help you out after the crisis, or let's say during a crisis, to develop some new skills, and grow your network. And you are going to make sure that you are going to implement some new ideas whenever the crisis is going to finish. So keep your head up and embrace the challenge. All of us, we are going through a challenge. Don't forget that, right? We are going through a challenge, all of us. Business, entrepreneurs, individuals, workers, employees, I don't know whoever you are, but we are going through a challenge. And the second principle I want to share with you is that you have to understand that greatness is upon you, right? You are great. You are a great guy or a great woman, right? If you had the idea to decide you are going to implement something, you are going to change the world, and you are here, you keep going. A struggle you have been going through, among whatever the difficulties you have, I want to just tell you that greatness is upon you, right? And greatness is never on discount, because you have to understand that, right? You have to keep in your mind that the battle you are going through now, the fight you are fighting, or I don't know, whatever you are going through, you have to understand that greatness is upon you, right? If you give up now, it's going to become a betrayal for all of us, and we are not going to believe in you, and you are going to lose self-belief, right? You are not going to believe in yourself anymore, and those people who are around you are not going to make it happen, because just they believed in you, they thought you are going to do it, they thought you are going to make it happen, so they were expecting you to do it. So those people can develop also the different activities, right? So they were waiting for you. Why are you going to give up now? Can't you think about, the motivation that you had before you start? Can't you believe that somebody is just somewhere praying for you, believing you, trusting you, making sure that every single day he's having good word for you? He's thinking of how I can pray for that person, even though you don't know that person, right? It could be a friend. It could be a family member. It could be a colleague. It could be a mate. It could be anyone you want. You don't know that person, but that person is praying for you. So don't betray that person. That person believes in you, right? This is what I can tell you. If you give up, you are not going to make it happen, and you are going to have to start over again after the crisis, after the situation, or after what is going on. I don't know the kind of difficulty you are going to okay. So the third principle I want to share with you today is that you have to keep believing in the credibility of your imagination. You had the credibility, you had the imagination. So whenever you have that imagination, you can make it happen, right? You can make it happen. If you have the power to think of what you want to do, what you think you can do to empower the world. So keep going, because you have that power to do it. Maybe for now you don't have all the resources that you need, and this is how it works. You are not going to have all the resources because in the beginning it's difficult, right, to have all the resources. You are not going to attract them, but along the way you are going to attract them. The people you need are going to come. The resources you need are going to come, but you have to take it every step at a time. So one step at a time, okay, you have to take it, and you have to think about today, tomorrow, next week, and you are going to end up within the next 6 months, within the next 12 months, I don't know, or the next 3 months, you are going to make the difference between what you did and where you are heading. And I'm sure that you have, this power to do it. If you keep believing in the creativity of your imagination, if you keep believing the people around you who are telling you that you can do it, right? So give that credibility to your imagination, and the people who believe in you, keep, them on the way, to keep believing in you, right? So they believe in you, right? So I said in the previous principle I told you, so people are praying for you. They are praying for you, don't know where. Some are saying nice word for you. Some are motivating you, right? Why are you going to give up? So this is what I want to share with you. My name is Abu Kasum, and I'm coach and I'm writer, so I'm an author. So every single week, as I said in the beginning, we are going to share those videos with you, those short videos. We are going to spend those time with you, and please don't forget to comment. We can improve our work, and we can also bring on the table some more topics that we want to cover. So please stay safe in your different families, with your different, and take care of your families, the elders, and so on. So I hope, we meet next week again, and for a new video and for new principles. So bye bye.